High wind warning? What the?
The National Weather Service in Sullivan has issued a high wind warning, which is in effect until 7 a.m. this morning. Easterly winds gusting 50 to 60 miles an hour are expected in the wake of a departing rain system. Counties included Washington, Ozaukee, Iowa, Dane, Jefferson, Waukesha, Milwaukee, Lafayette, Greene, Rock, Walworth, Racine, and Kenosha. Again, this high wind warning goes through 7 a.m. this Thursday morning, expecting east winds gusting 50 to 60 miles per hour. High-profile vehicles will have trouble in open areas. Light objects not secured will blow around. A high wind warning means a hazardous high wind event is expected or occurring. Sustained wind speeds of at least 40 miles an hour or gusts of 58 miles an hour or more can lead to property damage.